Hello, my friends, and welcome to Kitsune Readings, where your questions find answers.
Hello, friends. Ryukamai here. Have you decided to vote for Mike Haggar yet? Remember, vote Mike Haggar. Mike Haggar is the best candidate you will ever see due to his tough-on-crime policies. Not only is he going to fight crime, he's going to go out there and fight it himself. Watch how Mike Haggar handles gangsters. He gives them pile drivers. Yeah! Always screaming, yeah! And a double clothesline. And a suplex. This is how you fight crime right here. There's only one man who deserves your vote. Mike Haggar. Mike Haggar for president. This is how you enforce a tough-on-crime policy. A great mustache and muscles, just like the 1980s. Yeah! Vote Haggar. Look at that. He's already reduced crime 90%. When you're tired of criminal activity, think Haggar. He is the ultimate brand of justice. The pile driver. Yeah! 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 That's just the only man I'm voting for this season. I hope you can feel the same way, and we can count on you to support Mike Haggar. Yeah! Yeah! Take that. Come here, miscreant. Yeah! Raw. I'll teach you to laugh at justice. Clothesline of justice. Pile driver of justice. You know what you do when you encounter a gang leader? You immediately grab him, and you pile drive him. That's how you enforce the law. Yeah! Haggar's fists are rated E for everyone. Yeah! Alright. Thanks for listening, everyone. Remember, vote Mike Haggar. Thanks for listening, everyone, and I'll see you all very soon. I hope you enjoyed this short, fun video. Have a good day, everyone. I believe in you. You can and you will achieve your dreams, and I will see you all very soon.